Recover Perfect Coconut Setting Mist by Marc Jacobs Beauty. Lock It Makeup Setting Mist by Kat Von D Beauty. Lock It Makeup Setting Mist by Kat Von D Beauty. Roller Lash Curling Mascara by Benefit Cosmetics. Velour Lash Curling Mascara by Benefit Cosmetics. Original Loose Powder Foundation by BareMinerals. Original Loose Powder Foundation by BareMinerals. Contour Kit by KKW Beauty. Contour Kit by KKW Beauty. A liquid lipstick by Jeffree Star. Colors are so pretty, but I hate the formula. It smears all over my face, but when it dries I practically had to use a pickaxe to get it off. Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer by IT Cosmetics. All Nighter Liquid Foundation by Urban Decay. All Nighter Liquid Foundation by Urban Decay. MegaLast Liquid Catsuit Lipstick by Wet n Wild. MegaLast Liquid Catsuit Lipstick by Wet n Wild. Goof Proof Eyebrow Pencil by Benefit Cosmetics. Goof Proof Eyebrow Pencil by Benefit Cosmetics. Matte Lip Kits by Kylie Cosmetics. Matte Lip Kits by Kylie Cosmetics. Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof by L'Oreal. Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof by L'Oreal. Rose Gold Palette by Huda Beauty. Rose Gold Palette by Huda Beauty. Better Than Sex Mascara by Too Faced. Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Can't get it to go on, and it wears off in less than 5 minutes and leaves pure glitter on my face. I can't stand it, and have only used it maybe 10 times. Should probably get rid of it.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.